If you want to know how to find the best trends on Redbubble, if you want to know how to find the trends which is not trends yet on Redbubble, I'm gonna show you that in this video. Let's start. So first of all, if you click here on the box on the Redbubble, you will find trending search. If you see this symbol, that means it's trending. So first method we're gonna try now to find the best trends is the A to Z method, which is just write A, and then you will here find a lot of stuff which is trending right now with letter A. So are you kidding me right now? One of them, ask me about my duck. Second one. So if you write B, you will find some other stuff. C, another stuff. D, you can see driver license, I don't know. E, okay, educated, vaccinated, caffeinated, dedicated, enjoy every burger, easily distracted by planet. So all of these are F. Let's go for something random. Funny Valentine, Z, Zentangle, Z Mountain, K, Kiss Me If I Am Vaccinated, Kamala. So you got it. So you just put the word, or you can just put two words together, like for example EF, and then you can see that's most media effective, Devil in America, or you can write whatever you want, like TR, and then you can see Trust Me You Can Dance, Trombanzi. So you can also put two letters together, and after that you will find this trend. So this is the first method. Let's go to the second method. Okay, let's go to the second method, which is Google Trends. So we hit to the Google Trends section, and over here we will choose United States because we are targeting United States customers, and then we are going to choose here trending search. It's also have the same symbol. Okay, so if you press like that, it's gonna have all the trending search in the United States. You can also change the country if you want. Okay, so here we go. Of course, like most of them are gonna be like copyright, so you have to check if you can make copyright or not. So I'm gonna link also in the description below a lot of links which can you check the trademarks and copyrights. What is the second option? Okay, let's go back to the third one. So next I will discuss 4 main websites. From these websites you can find all the trends you want. Okay, so let's do it. First of all, Redbubble automation tools. I think it's the most popular one, but there are another websites I'm gonna show you later. It's much more better. But here also you can find a lot of trends, and it's very nice to see how much is the popularity and how many results. And also you can search for some specific trend, like for example dog or something, and you can have here a lot of results. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how can you use it. So first of all, you're gonna press here 100, so you can see at least 100 results. Okay, and make the search box free, because you are not searching for a specified thing, you are searching generally for trends. And then go for the popularity and do the percentage, not the red one, the green one, which is the most and the recent tags which is already trending right now. Okay, so let's see here Star Wars, which is of course copyrighted, so you always have to check the copyright. National hat, hiking and pizza, funny, that's good one. And you can also know it's like a t-shirt or a sticker. They give you all the information, so you will know at which product exactly is a trend. Life is better with coffee and gaming, it's trend right now. As you can see, popularity increased by 5,000. Okay, and it's updated like every week, I think, so you have to check it. Also, like one is my Valentine, dog Valentine, so everything about Valentine is trending right now. Is my Valentine shop, Rambo, Karate Kid. So you have to check always the trademark, guys. Okay, so this is the first website. Let's go to the second one. So I'm gonna put for you the links in the description, don't worry guys. The second one, which is Redbubble.crap. Okay, and here we can see also a lot of low competition trends, which is updated I think daily, and that's really amazing. And here also you can check the trademarks, so it's very amazing. Like for example something like that, that's Zosan. Okay, he says that is a trademark is live. So if you want to check the trademark, we press here, and once we press here, we will be converted to Trademarkia, which is also a website to check the trademark, which is trademark or not. And from here we can see it's live, dead, or famous. So here it's green, which is live since the 2nd, like February 12, 2020, like 1 year almost. So it's live, so it's trademark. It's trends, but it's live, so we will not do any design on this niche. But you can find a lot here also. You can put all search, so you can find most of the designs or most of the niches. And here you can find on every niche, you will find how many seller and how many results. So it's low trending, you will find 50, 46, and let's go for the results from the lowest to the highest. So 14 only for Tabats. It's safe. I don't know what's that, but you have to check it. And the best selling product in that is a sticker, and also you get the price range and the seller. So it's only have 3 seller, 14 results. So okay, Prosta class shop around the net everywhere at the end of time. This looks like good. Okay, we go down and we try to find a very nice niche. Alone battle, no, maybe it's safe. So maybe my first night fight. Okay, that's funny. I have only 33 results, 26 designer, and the best thing is scarf or t-shirt, offline seamless crop. So yeah, all of these guys are trending right now. So maybe later, like tomorrow, you'll find these results much more. So here you can find the very low competition trends, like it's no competition even, and you'll not find so many scammers. So yeah, I recommend you guys to use this website. I'm gonna put the link in the description, don't worry. Let's go for the next website. Okay, the next website, which is Redbubble Trends Tools, website called botautomation.net / Redbubble Trend Tools. Okay, I'm gonna put also in the description, don't worry guys. And this website is also an automation tools for Redbubble, so it's very nice. I'm gonna make another video for it. So here we can find also some trends. It's not so much like the other ones, but it's quite enough, also like 15 ones, which is really nice. And you have always to check the trademark or the copyright. Okay, so Redbubble results here, so it's like in the between, is not so many results here, but here also you can find like 1000. So here, enjoy every burger, it's very nice, very trendy right now. Just a girl who like boxing, just call me Cupid. I got vaccinated, but I still want some of you to stay away from me. That's really funny. Okay, yeah, so here you can find a lot of other results, and you can check every day. And also it has like the link for the Redbubble, so you can just go for the link here and you will find the results, okay, to check it. Let's go for the next website, which is a surprise for you guys, and it's very new, and it's, for me, it's the best one so far. So are you ready? Okay, let's go. Here we go, trendingbubble.io. Oh my god guys, this website is very good. It's amazing. It's really new and I really like it because you can find easily a lot of trends and everything is well organized here. You can check the trademarks, you can see the results, you can see the trending rank, you can see everything, the change and the percentage of the change. So it's cool, man. And also if you want to go to the Redbubble on this search word, you will press here and it's gonna convert you to the Redbubble shop, where you can find how many designs and a lot of other stuff. So let's go back to the website where we can see how it's work. So here you can check the results. So for example, Alberta beef tracker hat, it's have only 70 results. Educated, vaccinated, caffeinated, dedicated, 1000 something. So you can always like press here and you can organize it from the lowest to the most trendy. Okay, so we'll stack for the lowest because we want low competition trends. So for example, something like that is trendy. You always want to check the trademark. So here it's like telling you it's not trademark or like possible trademark, so we have to check that. We have also to check the trademark. Okay, So here you say no trademark, possible trademarks, so you have to check that. And you can here go for the next page. And here we go. Sometime you will see something like that. It's like a fire, it's like trending, and it's growing so fast. So it's very amazing. Like the night begins to shine, okay? And today is the 23 of January 2021, and it's only 22. Let's see when I upload this video. I don't know, maybe after 1 week or something I will upload this video, and let's see how many designs in this. Like, the night begins to shine. So yeah, it's really cool and it's trendy. So the second thing you can do is a ranking, so you can see how far up the results these keywords show, and the one means it's the higher rank. Okay, here can we say we see also the result change from the last, I think, week or something, and over 24 hours. 24 hours, yeah, change in result over 24 hours exactly. So for example, something like that, everywhere at the end of the time it's changing 25% better. And if it's going like backward, I don't know, maybe the arrow will be in the other way. Let's check the other page. Like that, minus, you can see it's minus 3%, or positive, which is green. So red or green or 0, which is not changing. Okay, so we want to choose something like I showed you, like that, with good ranking, like 1, changing so fast, 29, and also the trend rank is 2, so, and has like 22 results. I think this one is very, very good to do right now. I think I'm gonna design some, like, you can just go and find this trend. You will be the first people who designed this trend, and you're gonna make a lot of sales, I think. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed my ways to find trends, and I hope you like my video. I would appreciate you if you really good me give me a very a very good like and subscribe and comments, because I just started a YouTube channel and I'm doing some videos every week, and I really want some support and some motivation, guys, to do some videos like that. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you can wait for the next video, because next video gonna be a very, very, very good. I'm gonna speak about how to explore the trademarks, what is the best websites to find trademark and copyrights, and what to do and what not to do, because it's very important to get your Redbubble account safe and not getting banned. So stay tuned for the next video, and see you till then. Bye bye.